Here we are at a clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Jillian.
Now, Jillian, what part of I know you travel everywhere. This gal's really, really cool. Okay, what made you come down to our clinic?
So actually, I was coming here to get a root canal extracted. I live in Colombia, but I really couldn't find any holistic dentistry there. So yeah, I came here for the dentist. I had it recommended, and then I realized that you were here. I didn't even know before, but 4 years ago, I had been following you on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
And I was like, what? This is Dr. Bergman's place? He's even here? I can't believe it. So it just worked out. I didn't have a return flight booked anyway. I'm a digital nomad, basically, so I can stay places for longer.
Does that sound like a totally cool lifestyle or totally cool lifestyle? Okay, so now we've done your post X-rays, and we'll do post X-rays in like 2.5 weeks. Okay, to see. Can I share one of the pictures that you sent?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, this is kind of cool. Anytime there's some type of injury to the foot, typically the big toe lean towards the other ones, and it kind of looks like bunion formation. And what I tell everybody is take a picture of the feet, because in a couple of weeks, you're going to start to notice a difference.
Yeah, they shrunk. And I tried not to look at it. I was like, I don't want to look at it obsessively every day. So I just looked at them and took a picture after 30 adjustments.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wild.
One of my favorite patients, she's 75 years old, and she's been with me now for like 5-6 years. And every time she lays down, look how pretty my feet are.
Yeah, that's going to be me.
So now what other results have you had? Because you've done, her post X-rays were rocking.
Cool. Yeah. My report card. So I had a back injury pretty badly, or it really debilitated me, I felt. 4 years ago when I found Dr. Bergman on YouTube, I did a whole bunch of stuff that helped and thankfully resolved the pain. But I knew my shit was messed up. Can I say that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was concerned about it, and I would have neck pain and shoulder pain, and I danced salsa, and my teacher's always like, your scapula, like your shoulders, fix them. And I'm like, I can't. This is as far back as they go. They can't understand. And so it's been something that I've been working on with various treatments. But when I came here, I was like, great, this could be something that really helps my posture. And I know my back's messed up. My mom has real scoliosis, so I know what could be ahead if I don't fix things for me. So yeah, I was really shocked when I had the initial x-rays because I didn't realize how bad it was. But on the second set, my neck, first of all, I can turn it like further than I've been able to turn it in 15 or plus years. And I swear I'm taller. I feel taller. Someone I know here who met me at first told me that I'm taller, that I seem taller in the last like 2 or 3 weeks. And what else happened?
Oh my God. The posture analysis. We do a digital posture analysis.
Your picture.
And literally it was from here to here.
I was kind of had this hunchy thing, which is terrible. And now it's like I don't have to force this posture. It's just there.
It's just there.
Yeah.
Her salsa instructor will be happy.
I'm so excited.
Now, there's a lot of people out there that don't take charge of your health or their health. You know, they're my mom had it, I got to have it. What can you tell people? Because living in multiple countries, running around the world the way you do, what could you tell people to take charge of their health? Because you're kicking butt.
Thank you. So I would say it's not just for the future, it's for tomorrow, like literally tomorrow or today, because even though I think maybe a lot of people my age are like, oh, you don't feel that much pain, what's the problem? But you don't know how much better you can feel. And that's something I've felt from all the changes I've made to my lifestyle is like, yeah, it's so you don't die and get diseased and have to be on meds when you're older, but you actually feel better as a 25-year-old or a 33-year-old. I'm 33 now. So like everything I do for my health, even though it's a big deal for the future, it actually improves how you feel immediately. And the better you feel, the better you can achieve and do everything else in your life. So
it's true. 90% of the nerves that come off the spine, there's no pain fibers. And I'm almost double your age. And so we get used to crappy. I wonder if I can say crappy. Okay. You get used to crappy and you think it's like normal.
Yeah, you do.
I'm so glad you're taking charge of your health. You're rocking.
Thanks for helping me.
This is amazing results. I am going to use a lot of your post things and
go for it.
Videos, but yeah.
Okay.
Take care of yourself. You're designed to live in this world for 120 years. We're looking at double the age range, and I'm still only halfway there. We're supposed to go to 120. So you're still just starting.
I think Dr. Bergman will get to 150. That's what I think.
I hope so. So God bless you, dear. Thank you so much for taking charge of your life. Yeah. And take care of yourselves. You're all made in the image and likeness of God, and you're designed, this world was designed for you. So let's experience it, baby.